Om Sairam, Vanakkam, welcome to Grandma's class. In this video, we are going to see the exercises given on page number 79, 81, 83, 84 and 85 of Unit 1 Prose, Hobby Turns a Successful Career. Term 1 English, Standard 8, Samacheer Kalvi. We have already done the lessons in 3 separate videos. The links are given in the description box. Section 1. A. Say true or false. Mani's hobby is playing cricket. False. Hobbies are unique to people. True. People have hobbies only to pass time. False. Question B. Choose the correct answer. Mani imagine a world with dash. There are 3 options. C would be the answer. Magic and magicians. Number 2. When Mani started writing things, he was unable to dash. Describe them accurately. Number 3. Mani feels writing is like dash. Painting the voice. Section 2. A. Say true or false. Ajay Garg is an artist. True. Asha Devi taught Ajay the miniature painting. True. Ajay displayed 150 paintings. That is also true. Ajay was awarded by the Indian President Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. True. Question B. Answer the following questions. What was Ajay gifted with? Ajay was gifted with skill of painting. 2. How was he honored? He was honored by the Nation Award of Accomplishment from the Indian President APJ Abdul Kalam. Number 3. What is Ajay's current goal? Ajay's current goal is to revitalize the dying art of traditional miniature Indian painting. 4th question. Has Ajay's hobby become a successful career? How? Yes, Ajay's hobby has become a successful career because his work has become popular throughout United States and United Kingdom. He has also become the executive member of the Deaf and Dumb Association in Rajasthan. Section 3. Fill in the blanks. Mani imagined a world with magic and magicians. Ajay Garg is a very talented young artist. Disney won Dash Oscar Awards 22. Disney practiced drawing the front page cartoons of patriotic pictures. Disney was drawing patriotic pictures about World War I. Question B. Choose correct synonyms for the italic words. Number 1. Writing is a unique hobby. So the synonym is uncommon. Ajay started to paint happily. Synonym for happily is joyfully. Miniature paintings depict Indian culture. Depict means portray. Disney introduced several developments in the production of cartoons. Numerous. Now question number C, which asks you to find the antonyms. Ajay suffered an injury. Suffered opposite is endure. He mastered the techniques of painting. Mastered unskilled. Disney practiced drawing. Practiced inability. Disney received 22 Academy Awards. Received decline. Question D. Answer the following questions in 1 or 2 sentences. Number 1. What happened to Ajay at the age of 3? Ajay suffered an injury at the age of 3. Question number 2. What did Asha Devi teach Ajay? Asha Devi taught Ajay the old and dying technique of traditional Indian miniature painting. Question number 3. Who is Walter Elias Disney? Walter Elias Disney was an American animator, voice actor and film producer. He was the pioneer of the American animation industry. Question number 4. Why is writing beneficial according to Money? According to Money, writing opens his mind to think beyond the little things with a broader mind. It makes him more passionate about this life and learn new things. Question number E. Answer the following questions in 100 words. How did Ajay's father find his son's talent? Ajay suffered an injury at the age of 3. Even after the several treatments, he was left deaf. Once his father bought him a painting set to play. He started painting on the walls and floors, etc. He looked very happy while painting. Soon his father realized that Ajay was talented in painting. When Ajay was 5 years old, Sri Shwalal, a court artist of Dolapur, impressed with his work and took him for training. Second question. How did Disney develop interest in painting? Walter Disney was an American animator, voice actor and film producer. He developed interest in drawing when he was paid to draw the horse of a retired doctor. He practiced by drawing the front page cartoons of newspaper. After attending Saturday courses at the Kansas City Art Institute and taking correspondence course in cartooning, he became the cartoonist of the school newspaper. He refined himself more after attending the night courses at the Chicago Academy of Fine Arts. Next exercise from Homophones. We have already done a video on homophones separately. You can find the link in the description box. You may go through that. Now we will see the fill in the blanks. First one, I am not dashed to drink soda. Allowed. ALLOWED, allowed. To permit. Second one is, the wind dashed the leaves. Blue. BLEW, blue. Third one, I will dash my friend. Meet. MEET. Fourth one, he will play the dash in the second play. Role. ROLE. I have dash movie before. Seen. SEEN. Next one also, choosing the correct homophone. Every morning my father likes to look at the dew, DEW, dew on the grass. Number 2, Chennai is the capital of Tamil Nadu. Option B. Number 3, their words had a negative effect on my self-esteem. Effect, EFFECT. Fourth one, I was very dashed last weekend because my friends made plans that did not include me. Bored, BORED. The cat caught the dash of a mouse. Scent, SCENT. Abbreviation and acronyms. Already we have done a video on abbreviation and acronyms. You can find the link in our description box. You may please go through for better understanding. You are given some words. We will find the expansion. Expand the following. GST, Goods and Service Tax. ECG, Electrocardiogram. ILO, International Labour Organization. SCERT, State Council of Educational Research and Training. IIT, Indian Institute of Technology. ISRO, ISRO, Indian Space Research Organization. FIR, First Information Report. UNESCO, UNESCO, United Nations Educational, Scientific and Cultural Organization. UNICEF, UNICEF, United Nations International Children's Emergency Fund. 10th one, NASA, National Aeronautics and Space Administration. Thank you for watching this video. Like, share, subscribe to our Grand Master class. Thank you. Om Sai Ram.